in reality I do have a lot of material, as you can see, a lot of wood at the back. It's not quality wood, it's just random wood which I collected over the 6 months period I've been here. So what I thought is, everything is closed, all the shops are closed, nothing to do. So what I did, I made cement dumbbells. I did record them, but the footage got corrupted. I don't know why. Maybe some issues with my memory card or 4K recording. By the way, yeah, I'm recording at 4K, so do let me know how the quality is. And all the 4K has been done from Samsung Note 8. So it might be pretty good, might not be pretty good, so I'm sorry if it's not good. We'll have to bear with it until this channel picks up. On the 30th day I, got an idea that this room was built, so around 100 blocks, cement blocks were extra, and we kept up on a second roof. It's like a secondary roof for a water tank for the water tower. So from there I took around 8 blocks, and now I'm going to make a flower bed above on the roof outside. I'm going to show you in a bit. So I'm going to be making a flower bed. The blocks are on 8 inches height and 12 inches wide. So 2 on the sides, which will make the width, and the length is going to be 6. It's going to be 6 feet wide length, 6 feet length and 1 feet wide. And height, as I said, the blocks are 8 inches, but a flower bed should be around 10 to 18 and 15 inches. So what I'm going to do is, the blocks which are at bottom are going to stay blocks, and then I'm going to use wood. It's kind of ugly looking right now, so I do not have a planer. So what I'm going to do is use my table saw. I get the blade right, like approximately 1 millimeter or 2 millimeter above, and then I'll go over all the woods here, and then I will cut out which is not needed, and I'll make a top border, make it into height. So that's the plan, and let's get started. So here we are. So this is the layout. This is a dry layout. These are the blocks which I'm going to be using. So this is 1 feet by 6 feet. That one is missing. I'll need to go and get it upstairs. So what I'm going to do is not going to permanently fit it. Yes, I will fit the cement. I'm going to put some cement down so they can hold the base to the ground, so they get stuck. But it's not going to be so hard that in the future if I want to break it, it's going to be easy. I think you're going to be wondering why these rocks are here. So I do not have tiles, so instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick these rocks on the block with cement, so it'll look cool. It'll be like a rock wall kind of thing. So they're going to be going like that. So from here to here is 8 inches, from here to there is 12 inches, like 1 feet by 8 inches. Then I'm going to be using the wood which I showed before, stack it up, make it around this side. Let's get started.
later.
Hi guys, so this is day number 3 and here's some update. What happened is there's some good news and some bad news. So let's go for the good news first. I have completed the flower bed, as I'll show you now. Right here, if it focuses, yes, there you go. The bad news, as you can see, kind of looks a little bit of ugliness is there, and you would have been wondering, why does the design look different as I explained? Well, so what happened is I asked the wife, should I put wood to increase the height or should I just put blocks? Because I have extra blocks, right? So she said put blocks, it'll look better, and I have tiles. I had the exact number of tiles to cover the front side and one side which is visible. But one bad thing happened. I do not have that side, one tile over here. It's okay because there's lockdown, so I can't go get it. Once the lockdown is done, I'll get that tile. Now, bad news number 2. As you would have seen over here, the 3 blocks over here, not filled with rocks. The rocks are not stuck to it. I have rocks. That's no problem. The thing is, I ran out of cement. So what I did was, I finished the second layer of the flower bed, made it to height. Now it's 16 inches from the ground and 12 inches from back to front. Yeah, 12 inches back to front, 16 inches from top to bottom, and it's 5 feet in length. It's pretty good. So tomorrow I'll go get some plants. Maybe not tomorrow, maybe next week. I'll give you an updated video, so stay tuned for that. This is done. I hope you like the video. I know quarantine times, plus it's Ramadan, so I can't work out in the sun so much, and I'm fasting, so bear with me, and I'll for sure have an update on this pretty soon. I hope the lockdown finishes fast enough and I'm able to get cement to continue and finish this off and get the tile which is missing. I hope you like this series. Give a thumbs up. If you don't like it, put a thumbs down. It doesn't matter. Well, it kind of does, but it's okay. Please do share, subscribe, and push the notification button for the new updates.